Hey guys, what's up? The Gaming Candid here. Hey, and today I'm making a video of how to hide your burps. Yeah. But I got this idea from it starts with an N, but I can't really know how to read his name. But he was the one who created how to hide your farts. And he created a new word, buttle muscles. I don't even know what that word means. Butto muscles. Buttle muscles. I don't even get it. But still, I'm gonna show you a way to hide your burps. One way is called the outsider. Like when you need a burp and you're right next, and you're in the kitchen and you need a burp really badly, and then you're in front of somebody and it's super quiet. Then you should, like walk out, like say, "Hello, dude. I want some fresh air." Okay, dude. I'll wait for you. Okay, thanks, dude. You're the best. Okay, I'm done. Oh, that's great. Yeah. And yeah. And another one is called the insider, which is the opposite of the outsider, except you do it actually inside. When like you're inside. But like this. Look, I'll show you. Hey, dude. What's up? I think I need to use the bathroom. Okay. Okay, I'm all done. And then number 3, which is called the noiser. Like when you're in the elevator. Well, it's the same thing, but you just burp. And just quiet if you need to burp. And also, I want to show you how you burp like this. It's because your neck pushes together and then it goes up all the way to your mouth. Like this. Dang it. Well, anyways, yeah. The third one is called which, as you already know, the nose picker. So look, oh God. Ew, dude, that is gross. And then you just burp inside your mouth while you're picking your nose so they can distract. So they have a distraction so they won't smell it. Oh, well, I don't have any more ideas. And this might be all for today. And so, yeah. I'll think of more ideas. And see, guys, look, I just burped. But there's nobody here. So, yeah. My dad's going to get an alert about this. And bye, guys.